bad some people just can't live and let live. Your orders, how's that? At your service. Acknowledged. Art thou mine worthy enemy, or art thou naught but a jester?
You there, stay back. Don't come any closer.
A fine choice. Right. As expected. Right. Right.
Appropriate terrain for me. Doctor, the snows of my home are with me. Doctor, give the word.
No need for mercy on the enemy, correct? Let's assist others, shall we? I'm raring to go. Here. Over here for Silverash aim. Here. Amateurs are doomed to fall to their death. Here. I got you! Here. I got you!
Let's put an end to this as soon as possible. You disrupted my train of thought, Doctor. You disrupted my train. You disrupted my train of thought, Doctor.
Don't you fret. No matter the environment, I can see them just fine. You thought I couldn't see you? Let's assist others, shall we?
Very well. What are you planning? The fool flaunting his gallantry reaches none with his banner.
Stay back for just a second. I'm too icy now. Let me just rub a bit to warm up. Good. That's better. All right. Now it's safe to high five.